I'm gonna walk you through the products that I like to use once I get out of the shower. So thank you for coming back to part 2 of the series of how to wash your IBE. I use all Goldilocks products. These are specifically formulated for hair extensions. They deliver the moisture and hydration that hair extensions need. So I'm a diehard. I do not use anything else. The entire line has exactly everything that I need. So I'm gonna show you what I like to do. First, I have the leave-in conditioner. Now, what I will do, you're gonna have to pretend with me, okay? You're gonna have to pretend like my hair is wet and that I just got out of the shower. So what I will do with the leave-in conditioner is I will do just a few sprays on each side. Now, with this product line, a little bit goes a long way. So you don't have to go out of control, with like 10 pumps, 10 sprays. Actually, 3 to 4 is really going to be enough because it's a concentrated product. So with the leave-in conditioner, I usually do 1, 2, 3, like top, middle, bottom, and then on this side, top, middle, bottom. When I'm applying products to my hair, I like to leave it like this, where it's parted in half and forward, just so I can have some even distribution to it. So that's what I will do, and then I will brush it through with that wire bristle brush. Then what I like to do is I like to grab a cocktail, if you will, of 2 of my favorite products. So I do 3 pumps of the smoothing cream, and then I do twice as much with the serum. And I do that together, rub it in my hands, same thing. And I will just kind of take that from my jawline down. I don't like to get the smoothing cream or the serum, again, too close to my roots. It can start to get greasy. It might work for me day 1, but I know I've been messy with my application if I'm like day 3 and my hair is already feeling greasy. I know I was a little bit heavy-handed with my styling products, and so I always have to like reel myself back in because I love them so much. Sometimes I'm just like, I want all of it, all over. All right, then the last thing I'll do is I apply the blow dry spray. Same thing. I like to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then I brush it through. Even if I'm going to let my hair air dry most of the way, I'm still using the blow dry spray because I will finish my hair off when it's about 80–90% dry. I'll go back through and I'll dry it with a blow dryer, and this just makes it feel so smooth and sealed, and it also cuts that dry time in half. Like, who doesn't want that? And I almost forgot. This is a heat protectant, so you can put heat up to 450 degrees on your hair. Don't do that, like ever. Cook a turkey at 450, not your hair, but still, it does protect against any heat styling. All right, that is my lineup of products. Go check out these products and more at Goldilocks.com.